The question is this: does the long lead really make a difference? Hi friends! In this video, we are going to talk about sharpening your pencil like a pro with a cutter and a sharpener for that long lead, just like a cool artist. Alright, imagine you are about to upgrade your pencil game. Grab a good old pencil and an awesome cutter. It's like getting your tool ready for an artistic adventure. Now when you are using that cutter, don't be shy. Tilt the pencil a bit. Not too much, just to give it a snazzy angle. It's like giving your pencil a makeover, making it sharp and ready for action. As you trim away the excess wood, think of it as revealing the superhero lead within. Next stop, sandpaper. Choose a friendly one, not too harsh. Now treat that pencil tip with care, like you're giving it a spa day. Circular motion, easy and relaxed. Why sandpaper? You wonder? It's like the secret ingredient. It smooths out the rough edges, making your pencil tip all refined and elegant. Think of it as the finishing touch to your masterpiece. Now as you turn that pencil around, it's almost like a dance. Enjoy the process. With each turn, you are getting closer to that dreamy long lead. It's not just sharpening, it's an art form. By the end of this, your pencil is reborn, longer, sharper, and ready to rock the paper. It's not just a drawing tool, it's your magic wand for creativity. Go ahead, embrace your inner artist and let that pencil do wonders. Happy drawing!